Our next topic is Fundamental Duties in Indian Constitution, Part 4A. Just we have rights, we have some responsibilities too. The fundamental duties of citizens were added to the Constitution by 42nd Amendment in 1976. The idea behind incorporation of fundamental duties was to remind the citizens of the country that they have certain obligations towards the country and society. It is the fundamental duty of each citizen of India to maintain national integrity and contribute to making the society. Some of the fundamental duties of citizen of India are as follows. The first and foremost duty assigned to every citizen of India is to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. The national flag shall not be draped over the top, sides or back of the vehicles. The flag shall not be used as a portion of costume. It is our duty to remember the sacrifice made by our forefathers for the cause of the country. We must always conscious and committed to these ideals and make India a better country each day. We should not do anything which may harm or damage the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Every citizen must be ready to defend the country against war or external aggression. We must protect our country from armed rebellion within the country also. Indian culture is one of the oldest and unique culture in the world. Even people from other countries respect our Indian culture so much and want to know about it. It is our duty to respect and protect our Indian culture. It is a duty to every citizen to protect and improve natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. The rising temperature, water, noise pollution and large-scale deforestation are causing harm to all human life on earth. By protecting our forest cover, planting new trees, cleaning rivers and conserving our resources, we can help save the future of our fellow citizens and of planet Earth itself. To provide opportunities for education. Education is the most important factor in the development of a country. Through it, we can improve our society. Parents and guardians must realize that giving education to children is the most important. Education helps in the development of children. Education transforms country as a whole. So these were some of the fundamental duties of Indian citizen. For the enjoyment of valuable fundamental rights, firstly, we need to obey our fundamental duties seriously. Fundamental duties are the foundation of human dignity and national character. If every citizen performs his duties irrespective of caste, creed, color, and language, most of the problems of the present day polity could be easily solved.